If you are wondering if we have AI features on OnePlus 15, then the answer is yes. We have a couple of different AI tools that we can easily access on this device. We have some standard Google AI features such as Gemini and Circle to Search. So for example, Gemini of course has the app. We can also activate it by default by using the power button and so on and so forth. And Circle to Search can be activated by pressing and holding your finger on the navigation handlebar if you use gestures for navigation, or by pressing and holding your finger on the home button for 3 buttons navigation. But besides that, we can also open settings, and you should be able to find the AI section over here. And we have such tools and features as Mindspace, which is pretty much an advanced advanced notepad with integrated AI features. It allows you to, for example, create summaries, take most important information out of a screenshot, and so on and so forth. Besides that, we have the AI search, which can be used in order to effectively search for pretty much anything on your phone. For the Mindspace, of course, we have some additional settings in here as well. And we have the AI writer, which allows you to customize the text a little bit. So you can, for example, make it sound more professional or more casual. You can make it shorter or longer. And we have a bunch of different things that we can do, of course, with our text with the help of AI writer. We have the AI translate, which, of course, as the name suggests, it is used for communication, to translate from one language to another. We have a voice scribe, which is used, for example, to summarize the content of various media. And also we have the AI recorder, which also includes the transcription, for example, and the summarization of our voice recordings. And we have the AI service engine over here, which seems to be used to provide updates and running services for AI plugins. Besides that, we can find at least some AI tools in the camera as well. For example, if we use the maximum zoom, maybe not maximum, but if we use the higher zoom, we have AI telescope zoom, which actually we can turn on and off quite easily. And it seems to be it, at least for the things that we can enable or disable for the camera, because and there seems to be nothing much left in here. But of course, the camera itself has AI built within it, so of course it uses to process images that you take. And maybe not specifically if you just use 1x zoom, but for example, if you use a little bit of zoom, then of course the AI can be used to correct these photos a little bit. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.